FLUX.2 is on another level. What if I told you there's an AI that can create 4 megapixel images that look completely real, and it can edit those images too and keep the same person or product looking identical across 10 different photos? This is FLUX.2. Black Forest Labs just dropped this, and it's absolutely insane. You can generate marketing ads, product photos, even full UI designs with readable text. This isn't some toy for making AI art. This is production level stuff that agencies and brands can actually use. And here's the crazy part. They released it with open weights. That means you can run it yourself. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. Let me explain what FLUX.2 actually is. This is the newest image generation model from Black Forest Labs. But it's not just generating images from text prompts. FLUX.2 combines generation and editing into one single model. So you can create images from scratch or take existing images and edit them, change backgrounds, adjust lighting, swap out products, whatever you need, all in the same model. But here's where it gets really interesting. FLUX.2 has multi-reference support. You can feed it up to 10 reference images at once, and the model will blend them together to keep consistent identity and style across all your outputs. Have you ever tried to generate the same character or product across multiple images? It's a nightmare. The AI forgets what the person looked like. The colors shift, the style changes. FLUX.2 solves that problem. You give it reference images and it maintains that consistency. Same face, same product, same brand colors across dozens of images. This is huge for advertising and product visualization. The resolution is insane too. FLUX.2 can output up to 4 megapixels. That's 2048 by 2048 or even higher. This isn't some blurry AI image you can only use on social media. This is sharp enough for print, high-resolution banners, and professional marketing materials. And the prompt following is on another level. FLUX.2 understands complex instructions, it handles detailed compositions, it gets lighting and geometry right. And here's something that blew my mind. It can render readable text, actual typography that you can read, so you can create infographics, UI mockups, advertisement posters, social media graphics, all with text overlays that actually look professional. Now, let me break down the different variants. There are 4 versions of FLUX.2. First, you've got FLUX.2 Pro. This is the high fidelity, fast managed API version. You use this for production work, ad campaigns, and client projects. It's hosted, so you don't need to worry about hardware. Then there's FLUX.2 Flex. This one gives you tuning parameters. You can adjust sampling steps and guidance scale. It lets you trade off between speed, detail, and creative diversity. FLUX.2 Dev is where it gets exciting. This is a 32 billion parameter model with fully open weights. You can download it and run it locally, build custom pipelines, integrate it into your own tools. And because it's open weight, you're not locked into any platform or pricing model. Finally, there's FLUX.2 Klein. This is a smaller distilled version planned for release. It's designed for people with lower resource setups who don't have massive GPUs. Let me show you what you can actually do with FLUX.2. First, advertising and marketing. Imagine you're creating an ad campaign and you need the same model or product across 10 different images, different backgrounds, different lighting, different scenarios. FLUX.2 handles that. You feed it your product reference images and generate as many variations as you need. Product photography is another massive use case. With FLUX.2, you can render your product in any environment you want. Beach setting, modern office, cozy living room, mountain backdrop, and you can iterate in minutes instead of days. Design and UI work is where FLUX.2 really shines. You can generate clean UI mockups, infographics, marketing posters, and social media visuals. And because it handles text properly, you can create graphics with headlines, labels, and call to action buttons, all readable and professional. Concept art and entertainment is another big area. If you're creating characters for a story, a game, or a media project, you need consistency across multiple images. Same character, different poses, different lighting, different scenes. FLUX.2 keeps that character looking the same. Now, if you want to scale your business and learn how to automate workflows with AI tools like FLUX.2, you need to check out my AI Profit Boardroom at school.com/AI Profit Lab 7462/about. This is the best place to learn how to use cutting-edge AI tools to get more customers and save hundreds of hours with automation. Inside, you'll learn how to build complete AI workflows, how to integrate tools like FLUX.2 into your business processes, and get access to a community of people already doing this successfully. Link is in the description. So, how do you actually get started with FLUX.2? If you don't have a powerful GPU, the easiest way is to use the hosted playground or API. You go to the Black Forest Labs website, access the FLUX.2 playground, and you can test it right there in your browser. No setup required. If you want to run it locally, you download the dev weights from Hugging Face or the BFL GitHub. Then you set it up with a tool like Comfy UI or any diffusion framework. The quantized pipelines and FP8 support make it easier to run on less powerful hardware. Prompting is key to getting good results. With multi-reference support, you want to collect your reference images first, then structure your prompt with clear instructions. Describe the scene, the lighting, the style, the pose. FLUX.2 even supports hex color codes, so you can specify exact brand colors. The more specific you are, the better your results. Let me give you some real examples. Imagine you're selling a product online. You want that product shown in 5 different lifestyle scenes. Morning coffee setup, modern office desk, outdoor picnic, cozy bedroom, gym environment. With FLUX.2, you generate all 5 with consistent lighting and your exact brand colors. Or let's say you're running a social media ad campaign. You need the same character doing 3 different activities. Morning routine in a bright bathroom, walking through a city at sunset, relaxing in a cozy interior at night. FLUX.2 keeps that character's identity consistent across all 3 scenarios. Here's another one. You're creating an event poster or an infographic. You need layered graphics, background imagery, readable headlines, data visualizations, and a consistent style throughout. FLUX.2 generates that with proper text rendering and layout control. What used to take hours in Photoshop, you can prototype in minutes. This is why FLUX.2 is such a big deal. It's not just AI art. This is infrastructure for creative production, for marketing, for design, for commerce. The combination of open weights, production-grade quality, and flexibility makes high-quality visual generation accessible to everyone. A few things to watch out for. Hardware requirements can be demanding if you want full precision inference, but the quantized versions help a lot. If you're using this for commercial work, pay attention to licensing and content policies. And remember that AI doesn't guarantee perfection. You still need good reference images and solid prompt engineering to get the best results. But the bigger picture here is massive. Open weight image models are now production ready. The multi-reference support and consistent identity styling solves one of the biggest pain points in AI image generation. Before this, models would forget characters between images, product colors would shift, styles would change. FLUX.2 fixes that. And because the dev variant is open weight with public inference code, independent creators and small teams can experiment without huge budgets. Whether you're a creator, a designer, a marketer, or a developer, now is the time to try FLUX.2 and rethink how you build visuals. Go download the dev weights, test the playground, experiment with multi-reference generation, see what you can build. And if you want to go deeper into AI automation and learn how to build complete systems with tools like FLUX.2, join the AI Profit Boardroom. We've got full blueprints, workflows, and a community of people already implementing this stuff successfully. Link is in the description at school.com/AI Profit Lab 7462/about. Inside, you'll learn how to automate your business, scale your output, and use AI tools like FLUX.2 to transform how you work. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so drop your thoughts below. Have you tried FLUX.2 yet? What are you planning to build with it? Let me know, and I'll see you in the next one.